Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we're going to show you how to enable a super convenient feature on WhatsApp, using the Enter key to send messages. This can really streamline your messaging experience, making it faster and more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once it's open, you'll see a familiar interface with all your chats listed. Now, to access the settings, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options to customize your WhatsApp experience. For this feature, you need to tap on Chats. This section allows you to adjust various settings related to how you interact with your messages. Now, scroll down in the chat settings until you find the option labeled Enter is Send. This is where you can toggle on the feature that lets you send messages by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Simply flip the switch next to Enter is Send to the On position. With this feature enabled, you can now quickly send messages without having to tap the Send button every time. Just type your message and press Enter. It's that simple. This can be especially useful if you're using a keyboard with your device or prefer a more desktop-like messaging experience. However, keep in mind that some users might prefer to keep this feature off to avoid accidentally sending incomplete messages. It's all about personal preference and how you like to use WhatsApp. That's it. You've successfully enabled the Enter is Send feature on WhatsApp. This should make your messaging experience even more convenient and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.